You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French professional tennis player. We'll be looking at how to say more names from tennis. Many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In French in France, it is said as Caroline Garcia. Caroline Garcia. So you can say it as Caroline Garcia. Caroline Garcia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.